Okay children, in this video number 20 I will discuss with you how to interchange if into unless. If and unless both are subordinating conjunctions and make subordinating clause. Unless is always used in negative sense, and it means if plus not. It means if plus not. Okay, so when you use unless, you will not use not with it because it already has one not in it. Let me clarify this with an example. If he does not listen to his teacher, he will suffer. If he does not listen to his teacher, he will suffer. Children, first thing is that try to understand how many number of nots are given to you in this sentence. If you read this sentence again, you will come to know that you are only given one not. Okay, and this not will not be repeated in the next sentence because we are going to start from unless he listens to his teacher, he will suffer. Okay, the way we balance the equations, the way we have to balance the number of nots in this clause, in the subordinating clause we are given one not only. So in the next, here also, when we start from unless, in the subordinating clause we are not going to use not, because unless means not, if not. Okay, so here unless he listens to his teacher, the next clause will remain same, he will suffer, he will suffer. One more example, if he does not pay attention, he will not understand anything. If he does not pay attention, he will not understand anything. Now how many nots are given here? One not in subordinating clause, one not in main clause. There are two nots here, so one unless and one more not in the subordinating clause, the next clause. Example, unless he pays attention, he will not understand anything. Are you clear, beta? In the previous sentence, we had two nots. In one is in does not, other one is in actually given to you after will not. Okay, so we have to begin with, as we have to begin with unless, so we will not use the first not here. Unless he pays attention, he will not understand anything. Are you clear, beta? So the way we have to balance chemical equation, the way we have to balance here number of nots here. In the first clause, in the subordinating clause, you will not use not when you use unless. The other clause means your main clause, you have to be the main clause will remain same. Clear? Again, see better here, if I do not do my homework, I will be punished. If I do not do, one not is given to you in this statement. If I do not do my homework, I will be punished. Unless I do, this not is cut because we are using unless here. Unless I do my homework, I will be punished. Children, the main clause means after the comma, the clause starts will remain same. I will be punished, I will be punished. Clear, beta? Now beta, one more example here, fourth example, if we cancel the order, we will get compensated. If we cancel the order, we will get compensated. Okay, now start from unless we cancel the order, we will not get compensated. Now see here how many nots are given in this fourth example. If we cancel the order, we will get compensated. It means this is not a single not here. So we have to use one unless and one more not to make it positive. Two negatives but make a positive sentence. Now when we use unless we cancel the order, we will not get compensated. In the previous one, we had not a single not. In this sentence, we have used one unless, one more not in the main clause to make it a positive sentence. One more here. If I shelter the culprit, I will become an accessory to the crime. If I shelter the culprit, I will become an accessory to the crime. Again, in this sentence, beta, we are not given not a single not. Okay, so in when we change into unless, we have to use one unless in subordinating clause, and in the main clause one more not. So here, unless I shelter the culprit, I will not become an accessory to the crime. Are you clear? Again, I'm repeating here. If there's a one not in subordinating clause, unless will come in the subordinating clause. Okay. Now here in the previous example, there is not a single not. So what we have used one unless in the subordinating clause and one more not in the main clause to make it a positive sentence. Now last example, if I follow his instructions, I will be saved from a lot of trouble. Again, if I follow his instructions, I will be saved from a lot of trouble. Unless I follow his instructions, I will not be saved from lot of trouble. So the sixth example, in this example, there's not a single not. What we have done here, as we have to begin with unless, so one unless I follow his instructions, I will not be saved from a lot of trouble. I have used one more not in the main clause to make it a positive sentence. Children, you should revise these examples, otherwise you will not have a hold on it.